It seems like you're describing a specific model of a 4-in-1 food processor blender combo for the kitchen. This appliance has a 3-cup capacity and a large 61-ounce capacity, making it suitable for various food preparation tasks. It functions as a blender, smoothie maker, mixer grinder, and ice crusher, offering versatility in the kitchen. With a powerful 600-watt motor and 6 sharp blades, this appliance can efficiently blend and process different ingredients. The 6 blades are designed to handle tasks like crushing ice and grinding meat, vegetables, fruits, beans, and more. Additionally, it features a filter, which can help separate any unwanted particles or fibers from your smoothies or soybean milk. The 1.8-liter, 1.8L capacity allows you to prepare large quantities of food or beverages at once. Whether you're making smoothies, shakes, soybean milk, or grinding ingredients for recipes, this multifunctional countertop blender can assist you in various culinary tasks. Please note that since your description seems to refer to a specific product, it's important to consult the manufacturer's instructions and specifications for precise details and operating guidelines.